story from the project. Innocent black man. Let me be clear. Damn, man. The story from the project. Innocent black man.
What up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Small Account Challenge. Today is day number 57. It was a tough one. We was able to put out a small win, but not the kind of win that I like. We'll take it though, and in the week on the green note, which is good. And I'm gonna tell you exactly how we did it in today's midday market recap. All right, y'all. So let's go over the trades from this morning. It was a lot of activity on my side. I was able to take a couple of trades. Like I said in the intro, we was able to put out a win overall, but we did lose in the Webull account. Not too much, kept the losses tight. But our first trade of the day was on Nvidia to the downside. Let's pull the chart up. Let's take a look at it. All right, here we go. Yes, Nvidia had ran up at the open, and I was at around 936. I was trying to catch it to the downside. I was hoping it was going to hit resistance and come back down around 936, but it didn't. I kept the losses tight, stopped out. That was the first loss. And then I tried to catch it and the next candle, since the video was so strong going to the upside, I jumped in on the next candle, switched positions, and I was able to catch it to the upside, and that did help recover the loss on the first trade. We were still not where I wanted to be. It was down like $1 or something like that, but cool. I said, okay, we looking good. Still got a lot of buying power left. Let's trade smart. Let's keep our discipline. Then I jumped over into SPY. Let's pull the chart up. Jumped over into SPY at around 945. Okay, right. And I wanted to catch it to the downside because I saw I started watching it around 940, 935ish. I saw it was a long candle running up around 935. So I said, cool, let's see what it's going to do. In the next candle, a red candle did show up, but it was kind of shaky. It didn't have enough resolution to me. Once I did see resolution in the next candle at 945, I jumped in and wrote it down and caught a nice trade, and that erased the loss in the Webull accounts. We was green about $11 on the day. I said, all right, cool. Should I continue to trade? It was at this point I got to realize going forward in the new year, take the little bit of money that you just made and move on to the next day. But I be trying to hit my daily profit, which is about $25 to $50. So what happened was I kept trading. So anyway, I ran back over into Nvidia because I saw they had a lot of energy over there. So I went back over there to Nvidia. Let's pull that chart back up. All right, cool. And this was around 950 something. I was trying to catch it to the downside, but see, right around here, as you can see, there was this candle was somewhat, people were kind of uncertain of what direction it was going to go. So I jumped in, thought that all because of all of this right here, that run up, that now the bears was going to take control. They did not. Nvidia had gained some strength and kept running up. So then I had to stop out again, and I tried it again. This time to the downside. As you can see, right on that next candle, it did run down. You see that lower shadow right there? It did run down, but it did not hold. And like I said, because I was red, I was holding a little longer than necessary. It began to reverse, stop me out. So now we down about 20 something on the day. But then I was able to catch a nice trade on what stock was that? Oh yes, a nice trade on Tesla in the other account when I'm following the trend because Tesla was pretty strong. Let me pull Tesla up. Okay, cool. Yeah, Tesla at around 1125-ish. Tesla was trading in the range at first, and then it kind of broke out of that range. And on this next candle, right around here, about 1125, I jumped in and I was able to catch a nice move, about $20-something over there. And that allowed us to erase our overall red day to about a green day. in my other account, and that's pretty much how we finished the day. Up about let me see, about $6, $7. We'll take it. Bring that into the our next small account challenge day, which is on Monday, which will be day number 58. Like I said, we will continue. We will continue fighting and growing this account, getting it back to the $900 level, then eventually to the $1,000 level. We just got to keep the discipline on and continue to trade A-quality setups. Sometimes your biggest fight when you are trading will be fighting against yourself to not trade, fighting against yourself to either stay in a trade or get out of a trade. And one of the things that we do as traders is we hold our losers longer and we cut our winners short. And that happens a lot when you don't have enough buying power to get a nice size position. So you really got to hold it, because once you sell, you're out of that position. But that's one of the things that you have to master when you're growing a small account. Take the profits and get to the next day until you have a big enough cushion to really start to take the multiple contracts or bigger size. So anyway, that's how the day went, and we'll be back at it again like I said, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Peace.